Wow, this one also got umbrella. Very nice. Yo, angmohcardealer over here, and this right here is Skoda Elroq EV. One owner only. Super low mileage. And by buying this, you will enjoy massive savings. Let's check it out. Have a look at this beauty. Guys, I think the design of this SUV is really on point. This car looks modern, it looks stylish, and it definitely retains Skoda styling cues. Really very beautiful. Just look at these headlights. Super sexy, all right? And the side profile of this car is also very nice. Comes in beautiful gray color and with some really nice features. And really what's more impressive about this car is interior, but we'll get to that later. Now have a look from behind. Really beautiful, okay? Let's check out the boot space. Of course, it comes with fully electric boot. The boot space is really very large. Of course, you can remove this if you wish. You can also fold the rear benches to create even more room. Now let's close this. Behind, guys, just look at this leg room. Seriously, from the outside, this car does not look as spacious as it is on the inside. See some sort of magic happening here. We have rear seats, really excellent condition. Looks like nobody sit here before. Seriously, beautiful leather with orange contrast stitching and orange seat belts. How cool is that? I really like this. And of course, we have rear passenger aircon for the comfort of your passenger. And now, let's go in. All right, we're inside, and this is what it looks like from driver's perspective. Beautiful and spacious cabin. First things first, we have 2-spoke steering wheel. Very stylish, very nice to hold. It's multifunctional, of course. We have a digital speedometer cluster. Very nice. I really love the design and the positioning. Big infotainment screen. Of course, we got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, all that. A lot of vehicle settings you can play inside, and you can see the screen is super mega responsive. All right, you have a couple of cup holders here. This is your gear selector, very simple to use. You got a couple of charging ports there, and even additional storage below. Very beautiful design of the interior, guys. All this contrast orange color stitching. Orange color seat belts to match. These beautiful seats. They're fabric mixed with leather. They're super comfortable and you won't sweat in this car. All right. Beautiful ambient light throughout the vehicle. Soft touch leather over here with stitching and blacked out roof liner. And really nice view when you drive. All right, guys. I'll be honest with you. This is probably one of my favorite EVs in terms of driving. Just now I took it for a little spin and wow, I am impressed. So if you're considering buying EV like a BYD Atto 3 or 𝐒𝐤𝐴, consider this is much cheaper than 𝐒𝐤𝐴. It is also a category B car. The driving range is great, the driving feel is great, and as I told you already, massive savings. This car is almost new on COE. We still have 9 years and 6 months left. A lot of time for you to enjoy this beautiful unit. And as always, you all know what to do. Call me, 𝐒𝐤𝐿 give you a good deal.